So it is very simple. So again, we in alert dialog also, what we need to do is like in alert dialog also, first we need to create alert dialog builder, and then we need to set the properties and design the alert dialog. And after that, you will start your alert dialog. So for notification, what did we do? For notification, what are the steps we followed here? Basically, simple. Create notification builder, set notification properties, attach actions to the notifications, and then issue the notification. Same way. What is this? Same way. We just need to do this. Okay. So let us see how do we do that. So we'll just say new project. So we'll just take another empty project. So we'll just say create new project called alert dialog. So I'll just create it. Okay. I'll just create one alert dialog. So after doing this alert dialog, what we have to do again same way. So I'll just so we can just directly call on the start on create also. So you can do that one, or else similar way maybe we can just add a button. Try to get confused. I'll just show you one thing. So I'll just linear layout. What is this here? Just linear layout. I'll just do this linear layout. Delete this. Right? So I'll just say Android colon orientation vertical. I'll just add a button here. So I'll just split. So width is 60 dp. So text I'll say click here for alert dialog. Okay, like this I'll create, and I'll just say Android colon layout. I mean to say layout margin 10 dp. So I'll just give like this means spacing on all four sides. This is what I'll do. So what we'll do next? So immediately we need to again on button click action we'll add. So how do we do that? Simple. Android colon on click equal to on alert dialog button click. So I'll just come here and I'll just say alt enter create. So alert dialog has been created. So perfect. So after this now let us start looking writing the code. So as I told you, first you need to create the alert dialog builder. So I'll just write the steps again. Step one. So I'll just say create. So you create alert dialog buildr builder. Okay. Next. Next, first, how do let us do that? So we'll just say alert dialog dot builder. So we'll just create a variable builder equal to same way new alert dialog dot builder of this. So you need to pass a content as a parameter. So we have done this. So what is our next step? We need to create set the properties. So how we are doing for notification? Same way. So we need to say set properties and design the alert dialog. Set the properties and design the alert dialog. So how do we do this? How do we set up properties to the alert dialog using same way alert dialog builder? So so I'll just create a simple alert dialog. So I'll just say builder dot set message set message. So what is the message? I'll just say, are you sure you want to cancel the ticket. So this is one message I just want to pop up to the user saying that, are you sure you want to cancel the ticket? Because I'm suspecting that maybe by mistake the user might be canceling. By mistake he has clicked the cancel button. So that is why I'm popping up this message to the user saying that, are you sure you want to cancel the ticket? Okay, so after this, what we'll do now, we'll be creating two buttons. So we can create two buttons, means we'll be creating one positive button, say okay, yes or no. So we can create that using the same alert dialog builder only. So I'll just say, so builder dot set positive button off. So what is the message you want to put? I'll just say for positive button, I'll just say yes, comma. So again, we need to say new dialog interface. So everything automatically it will come. That's it, done. Perfect. So here it is coming error now. Just put a comma. So you just need to toast some message saying that maybe toast dot when they click yes, whatever action you want to do, you can take that. So I'll just say this comma toast dot short and dot show. So what is this? Yeah, right. Done. So now you need to pass your message saying that you clicked yes. See, here I am just throwing a toast message. It doesn't mean that you need to always toast a message. So for example, when you are canceling a ticket, na, so when you say, when the user says here cancel yes means you should immediately cancel all the process. You should not proceed to the payment gateway. So after selecting a seat, now you'll be going to the payment gateway and all that. Now, so you should not go further process. You should stop from there and you should come back to the home page. That is what you will do. For example, if the user say no, what will happen? You will stay on the same screen. So again, I'll just say pillar dot set negative button. So I'll just say no, comma, new dialog interface dot set on click listener of I'll just add comma to this and I'll just say I just want to add this guy. When the user click no, na, what we'll do? You will just don't do any action. We'll stay on the same page. When the user click no means it is saying that the user had by mistake clicked the button, and you don't do anything or you don't take any action on that. You just stay on the home page. That is what we'll say. Now, after doing this, we have done our design everything. So next step three is we need to start our alert dialog. So step three, start our alert dialog. So how do we start our alert dialog? So very simple. So, so alert dialog equal to builder dot create. So that's it, and then we'll say alert dialog dot show. Perfect. So now let us run and see. This is a simple code for alert dialog. So let us run and see, and we'll discuss on how to improve this. So there is one drawback. So how do I improve this? I'll let you know. Okay. So for example, now let me run this thing for you guys. If I actually go to the logcat, so I just need to come here and I need to change this first. 34, 34. So
Sir,
perfect. Done. Ah,
hello.
yes.
Sir, your
Tell
screen is
me.
not visible, sir.
Till now it's not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Now
while
it's visible.
explaining also you guys are not no while explaining.
Yes, sir. While explaining also we can't see, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, you would have told na. So the steps for alert dialog is very simple. First, we need to create the alert dialog. Then we need to set the properties and design the alert dialogs, and then we need to start our alert dialog. Similarly, like notification for creating alert dialog, we need to create an object for alert dialog dot builder, and then we need to create memory, allocate memory for this, and then we need to set the message saying that are you sure you want to cancel the ticket like this, and then we will be creating two buttons like yes and no saying positive and negative buttons will be creating. And after creating positive and negative buttons, we'll be setting the toaster. So how do I create positive and negative buttons? I'll just show it again for you guys. So it is very simple. When you see the code, you may think it is very huge code. So I'll just say builder dot set. For example, I'll say set positive button of. I'll just say yes. This is the text I want to put on there. Then I'll just hit enter. Sorry, I'll just say new dialog. That's it. Enter I have done. So everything has been given automatically. I just need to put this and I'll just add a toast message. So a toast message to simply perform some action. So basically this is like I'm toasting something, but here you need to put the action which you want to do. Similar way, negative button. So I'll just say builder dot set negative button off. I'll just say no. Okay. After saying no, I'll just say again call this new dialog interface enter. After this again I'll just add a toast message saying that you clicked no. So when you're saying no, when the user clicks no, you need to basically stay on the same page. So it means that user has clicked this button by mistake. When the user says yes, he has knowingly clicked the cancel button and you can go to your home page. That's it. Simple. So then we need to start your alert dialog by this. This is how we basically do. So now let us run this in our app and let us see how it looks like. So simple. So now I clicked on this. So you will get an alert dialog like this. Are you sure you want to cancel the ticket? If I say no, so when I click on no, it will say you clicked no. Again, when I so just click on this. If I say yes, then it will say yes. This is our simple notification alert dialog will work. See, I'll tell you one more thing. Every time we are giving buttons and all, no. So my starting point is, I mean to say, my starting point of app is on create, no. So on create also directly I can call, no. So what do you guys say? So what I need to do for this, no? I'll just create a function, public void sample alert dialog. So just to say like this, and we just need to cut this and put inside the function. So on button click, I can just add this function call. Okay, so that's it. And also if you actually see right on create also, I'll just add this function call. So that's it. So what will happen? I don't need to go and click the button again. By default, when I launch the app, na, that time also it will come. So if you basically see this, na, but because this is what Android life cycle means. So starting point like constructor activity life cycle we have read. Na? So same concept. So you see here by default a notification gets started. So I just clicked on yes. So a message will come. Then again I can click on the button and get the notification. Then I can click no. So you click no. This is how it works. Okay, fine. So now what I will say na. So the notification what I am seeing here na. For example, if you basically, I mean to say, if you basically see the notification here, na, this design and all, I didn't like it. It is very simple for me. So I'm feeling like it's not. I want a custom alert dialog. What is that? I want a custom alert dialog. So how do I create a custom alert dialog now? So how do I do that? So now let us go to your layout and start designing the things again. Na? So you'll just say So you just need to say what we'll do now. I'll just say custom alert dialog. So I'll just need to say custom alert dialog. So after going to, I mean to say custom alert dialog, you need to first design your screen as per the way you want to design. So you just need to, I mean to say you just need to design the screen first, and then you start writing your code. So custom alert dialog is more easy than any other thing. So it is a very simple thing. So how do we do this? So first let me design the task for you. So still controls we have not gone through now. So when we go to the controls, you will just understand few things. So anyway, this is linear layout only now. So first I'll take one text view. Uh, so maybe um, I'll just for your design I'm doing. So I'll just say linear layout, match parent, wrap content, Android colon, orientation. Just another 10 minutes. So we'll close it off. So shift and so I'm just designing my things. So what I'll do now, I'll just take image. I'll just take one image view. Okay, find something. So so what I do basically, I just need to put these guys side by side. So instead of match width and all, I'll just say 200 dp. I'll just say this maybe 200 dp. You can design something like this. So I'm just keeping like this. So maybe 100 dp I'll put, and I'll just give spacing to this Android colon layout margin left 10 dp. So 10 dp will give. So left side will be there. Android, or we can give layout margin. No? All four sides 10 dp. Let us give. So Android colon text color I'll say at the rate color slash black. So then I'll say Android colon text style I'll say italic. Then I'll just say Android colon uh, text size. I'll just say 16 dp. So something I so the text is same thing. I'll just say. Are you sure? Uh, so I can just add like this. Like, are you sure? Are you sure, user? So some username. So maybe I can just say, are you sure, Shruti? Uh, so I'll just put a question to Shruti saying that, are you sure, Shruti? Do you want to? I mean to say, you want to really? Are you sure, Shruti? You want to cancel the application? Like this, I can keep on text message, and then I can I mean to say I can just add one. So inside horizontal. So means don't get confused. I'm just saying this one. Match parent, wrap content, orientation, article, control X. I mean to say, I've just taken this, and why I have taken is like I just want to add a button. So I just added two buttons. So I'll just say split. So maybe I've just added one more button. So maybe below this only, if you want again. I mean to say again horizontal. Na? So again it will be like just to show this. Just need to say of linear weight and all nonsense. Just 60 dp. Yes. So inside this again, I'll create one more linear layout. I'll just match parent, wrap content, Android colon orientation, horizontal, and control expect. Oh my god, what is it? So maybe you can just 60 dp. And for this button as no, maybe you can just Android colon yeah, copy. What is this? Yeah, love all this. I'm just adjusting my buttons. Beyond that, I'm not doing anything. So some size I'm taking. So perfect. So I'll just Android column, layout margin, uh, 10 dp. So perfect. And I'll just Android column, layout margin right on 10 dp. I'll just give like this. So perfect. So I'll just say 40 or I'll just say 50 maybe. Just say 50. So some design, whichever I like now. I have designed according to my thing now. So instead of 10, maybe we can give 5. So why did I do this? Because here Shruti photo will come. Maybe Shruti photo will come here. And this is the message. And this is a simple custom design. So how did I design? You saw this na, in front of you guys. How did I design? So if you actually go to the design, na, my main layout is let us split. Well, this height. So, let us go to the design. So my main layout is vertical. Inside vertical, I have horizontal. So this will be side by side. Inside horizontal, again I took one more vertical. So my vertical will be this, and inside vertical again one more horizontal to keep two buttons side by side. So this is how I have designed one simple thing. So now same thing we'll try to add to the alert dialog builder. So how do we add this alert dialog builder? We'll just see that. It's like I mean to say public void custom alert dialog. Okay. No need of calling anything. We can just for example, I'll just say dialog equal to new dialog of. Need to pass the context, and then we need to say dialog of the set content view of dot layout dot custom alert dialog. So once this is done, then I can just say I have two buttons, na? Yes, no. You one button is equal to. I just need to say alt enter, so button thing will be added. Just say dialog dot find view by ID. So find view by ID, then we need to find the ID. So r dot ID dot. So what are our button names here? So you just go to code. Uh, this button, no button. And here, S button. Then again, you will be connecting your no button also. No button also will be connecting here, and we'll be just calling this one more thing. So I'll just say button no equal to dialog dot find VID dot no button. So this is how basically it will come. So after that, we just say, see, this is another important way. So once you can also what I want to tell you here is you can also link buttons also to your local variables. So here I have done this. So another way of calling the on-click listener, on-click is nothing but an event is like this: set on-click listener of new. That's it. Enter. So automatically this will come. Again, you just need to say you will just add a toast message. Same thing, same toast message what we have done here. Same thing. I'll just say this one. So you click yes button. So same thing. So next again, I have linked the no button. If you actually show here, no button, I have mapped to my local variable called no. So I'll just say no. So no dot set. Again, same thing on click listener, me equal to new. Just enter new. After that, it will automatically come. You just need to enter. Again, copy the same thing. You just say you clicked no button. That's it. Simple. It is very. This is the way how we call a custom alert dialog. So now after this, what we need to say, we need to show this dialog, right? So I'll just say dialog dot show. So let us see the output here. So where are we calling this? So what I'll do now on main activity only. I'll just add one more button. If you actually split and see, click here for uh, simple alert dialog. So I'll just click here for custom alert dialog. So I'll just add this as button. I'll just add this as custom button. So next I'll just remove this. So now I'll try to link this with the local control and try another way of calling the event handler. See, you can do one way. One way is like creating on click. After getting a function name, you just do alt enter and just do that. That is one way. Another way I'm telling now. So what you will do here, you just go to this on creator. So you just create a means link it to a local variable saying button and find view by ID r dot id dot. So I'll just say custom button and so what I'll do next, I'll just say alt enter, create field. So perfect. So then what I need to do, I need to just say custom button dot, same thing again, set on click listener of new enter. So then it will get called. Then let us call this. So I'm just saying this is another way of creating. So one way is like create a function name and do alt enter. Automatically everything will come like this. You can do this. Another way is like linking your button to your local variable and click on that and add your function. That's it. Okay. I'll just skip 34, 34, perfect. I'll just go to logcat. Just run this. By default, it will come, na? Because why it is coming by default? because here we are calling this one on create. Sorry, this is notification. So on create we are trying to call na. That is why it is coming by default. So let us remove this. So I'll just run the app again firstly. So perfect. Now let me run this. So did you got this? Bloody. Here the image is not coming. I'll see why the hell it's not coming. Are you Shruti? You want to cancel the booking? Then I'll just click on yes. So it's a yes. You click the yes button. When I click no, you click no button. You see one more thing. The dialog is not getting closed. So how to close the dialog? Here it's like just need to say dialog dot dismiss. So dismiss is the one which will actually dialog dot dismiss. Okay, fine. So now image is not coming. So we'll see what is the issue for image. Where is this? Yeah. The rate. Uh, okay, fine. Done. So now let us run again. So some image. So if you want the actual image, na, so maybe I'll just go. I'll just type 50. So we know that, right? 50. I mean to say. I mean to say what is a dummy image. So, girl dummy image. I'll take. Oh my God, what is this here? Maybe you take any of these images. Maybe I can. So for example, I can take this image. I can just save image as some girl. Uh, with, we need to always check the properties. The size is 4.57 KB, so it's good only. To open with paint. Okay, so no need to give any space and all. I mean the white spacing. So let us remove that. Like just a dummy image only, na. So we can just take this, copy, copy to your drawable folder. Perfect. We just need to say drawable slash girl. So now it has been loaded successfully. Maybe you can just say Android column scale type fit XY. So fit XY in the sense it will try to fit to the exact size. Maybe we don't need this as of now. This is not looking good. So now let us run this and see how it looks. Maybe image is coming or not. We'll see. Got it, na? Now image is also coming. When I click on yes button also, you click the yes button and the dialog is also closed. So this is how you can design your own custom dialog and all. For custom dialog, I mean this is a custom alert dialog. This is the way, simple. And for a normal alert dialog means provided by Android Studio and all, alert dialog will not. This is one more. Simple. So I'll share you the docs for custom dialog, alert dialog, and notifications. I want you guys to, I mean, complete the task. I want everyone, maybe Gautam, who all are pending. Only 3 people have done it. So please, everyone, complete the task. Any doubts you guys have?
No, sir,
No,
I can
sir.
able to understand.